Today might be the day that you have been waiting for, because more than 800 of you have entered to win the Freewell all-day 8-pack ND filters for Mavic Mini. I'm trying to see who might actually need these filters the most. So let's see some comments. So there was one guy who said he's created a drone company during quarantine. That's pretty brave. And he can't wait to get started. And the company name is Drone View Plus, which has Instagram account as well as Facebook accounts. So go and do give him some support for the latest new drone company. And one guy or maybe girl said, "You look very beautiful and professional with Rode wireless microphone and the coat I wear. ND filters are needed because young 360's beauty killed my Mavic Mini eyes." Thank you, but not the best comment, but it's one of the most flattering comments. And a lot of you mentioned about having a birthday, so happy birthday to all the May birthday babies.
Happy birthday!
The viewer named 3star2nr commented that we can rub a very thin layer of Vaseline around the edge of the filter to get some sort of bokeh effect. But he said he doesn't want to win. He wants to let other people win. So now let's really go on to selecting 2 winners.
Winners are the Viking Song and Dragonfly's POV. Congratulations!
And I also want to take this opportunity to thank all of you because now I have reached 40,000 subscribers. Yay! Yeah! So I hope I'll get more opportunities to do this giveaway. So please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you! See you! He wants to go home now.